So for those that don't know, Amazon's been offering coupons on their product page for a couple of years now, and the idea behind it really is not only to help increase conversion rates by offering the discount directly on the product page instead of having to enter some sort of coupon code, but also to help gamify the experience and push the purchase along further. When there's a coupon that can be clipped here, it kind of gives like a psychological trigger to the user that they're receiving a better deal on the product and helps incentivize that purchase on the spot. So it really is a lot of psychology and a lot of reasoning to why Amazon's been doing this for several of years already. And once you clip the coupon, the idea is quite simple. Like you can just add the product to your cart and the coupon would be applied at checkout. So today I'm going to show you how to add product page coupons exactly like what Amazon is doing here to your Shopify store. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go ahead and head over to the Shopify App Store and download and install the Clip Product Page Coupons app on your Shopify store. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead and click Install on the application, and that'll install the app on our store. Once the app is installed, there's a quick 3-part installation that we'll want to go through to get our coupons published on our Shopify store. So the first thing is to enable the app in your theme extensions. So we'll go ahead and click the first option. That'll automatically turn on the app in the app embeds, and we'll go ahead and click Save. Next, we'll want to customize the placement of the coupon and add the block to our theme. So we'll go ahead and click Add Block. Oh, actually looks like we already had this block added from before. So that block would have just been added, and then we can customize the placement where we'd like. So let's say we want right above our Add to Cart button. Put it above our Buy button. I think that's the optimal place for the coupon, and go ahead and click Save. And the last step is we will want to create our coupon. So going back to our once we've customized the placement, going back to our Clip application, we'll go ahead and let it load up here and click Create a New Coupon. We'll call this, just say Summer Sale. We'll do a 30% off discount, and we can apply it either to whole product on our store. We can apply it to individual variants of a product if we wanted to do that. We also have the ability to apply this coupon to a collection, and if we wanted to apply it to the entire store, we could create a collection that has all of the products and do that as well. And lastly, we can apply it based on tags that we have set up in our system here. In our case, we'll just go ahead and apply it to a single product and click Add. Now, a few other options that we have, we can set a start and a stop time and end date. We can also allow the coupon to only be shown for logged in users on the store, to set a per product limit for each order, meaning I can only use the coupon once per order instead of being able to use that same coupon on 3 products, for example, and limit the time the coupon can be used in total. So if you wanted to limit the redemption, let's say to 100 times, you could do that as well. And it could be tracked if we wanted to do that. And lastly, we can customize the look and feel of our coupon, which is previewed here. And this is all the settings for customizing the background of the coupon, for example, if we wanted to change the color. We can also go ahead and customize the font size, both of the coupon badge and also over here. And we can customize the text as well. Go ahead and click Save. Now to preview it, click on the product here, and we can see that the coupon is now applied to our product. We can clip it. That coupon will be now added to our cart page, and we should also see it applied at checkout. There we go. And that's it. And that's how to set up product page coupons on your Shopify store, just like Amazon has set up in under 5 minutes. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much.